Many people think diabetes suddenly appears one day, but the truth is, it starts with how our body handles sugar every single day. Long before any disease happens, our body follows a beautiful system to use and store energy. If you understand this system, you can understand diabetes easily. No medical words, just simple everyday logic. When you eat food, your body breaks it down. From that food, one main thing is created. That thing is called glucose. Glucose is simply sugar, and sugar is the fastest energy your body knows how to use. Your brain uses it, your muscles use it, even your heart depends on it. So glucose is not bad. Glucose is necessary for life. After digestion, glucose enters your blood. Your blood becomes the road that carries sugar everywhere. From blood, sugar travels to your brain. It travels to your muscles. It travels to every organ that needs energy. So blood sugar simply means how much glucose is moving inside your blood right now. This number keeps changing during the day. After eating, it goes up. Between meals, it goes down. That is normal. Think about your body like a car. When you fill fuel, the car does not burn all fuel at once. It uses fuel slowly while driving. Your body works the same way. When you eat, a lot of glucose comes into your blood at one time. But your body does not need all that energy at once. It needs small amounts, slowly, across the day. So your body must manage this sugar carefully. Now imagine your home kitchen. When you cook food, you don't eat everything immediately. You store extra food in the fridge. So when you are hungry later, you can take food from storage. Your body does the same with sugar. When extra glucose comes, your body stores it for later use. This storage form is called glycogen. Your body has three main storage places for sugar. One is the liver, one is your muscles, and one is your brain. When you eat extra food, your body quietly stores sugar in these places. Later, when you need energy, your body opens these stores. This is how your body prepares for hunger, before hunger even comes. But sugar cannot store itself. It needs a helper. That helper is called insulin. Think of insulin like a key. This key opens the doors of storage rooms. When insulin works well, extra sugar moves safely into storage. This keeps your blood sugar balanced. Without this key, sugar stays stuck in the blood. Now imagine you have not eaten for many hours. Your blood sugar slowly drops. But your body does not panic. It opens the storage rooms. Stored sugar is released back into the blood. This gives energy to your brain and muscles. So even without food, your body protects you from weakness. This is a smart backup system. To release stored sugar, your body uses another helper. This helper is called glucagon. If insulin stores sugar, glucagon releases sugar. When you are hungry, glucagon becomes active. When you eat, insulin becomes active. This balance keeps your energy stable all day. In a healthy body, this balance works silently every day. Sugar comes in. Some is used. Some is stored. Later, stored sugar is released. This happens without you noticing. Diabetes starts when this balance slowly breaks. Before we talk about disease, you must understand this normal system first. Now let's meet the organ that controls sugar. This organ works silently behind the scenes. Most people don't even know where it is. It sits behind your stomach. It rests near the first curve of your small intestine. You cannot feel it working, but every time you eat, this organ wakes up and starts its job. This organ is called the pancreas. Think of the pancreas like a control center. It watches how much sugar is in your blood. When sugar goes up, it sends out the store sugar signal. When sugar goes down, it sends out the release sugar signal. It does not shout. It does not make noise. It works quietly, every minute of your life. Inside the pancreas, there are tiny groups of cells. They look like small islands. These islands are called islets of Langerhans. Each island has a special job. These islands are like small factories. They make the hormones that control sugar in your blood. Without these tiny islands, your sugar balance cannot survive. Inside each tiny island, there are 3 types of workers. Each worker has a different role. One worker releases sugar. One worker stores sugar. One worker keeps balance. They work together like a team. If even one worker stops working properly, the whole system becomes weak. The first worker is called the alpha cell. Alpha cells release sugar. They become active when you are hungry. When you skip a meal, alpha cells send a signal. That signal tells your body, open the sugar storage. This releases sugar into your blood, so you do not feel weak. The second worker is called the beta cell. Beta cells release insulin. Insulin helps store extra sugar. After you eat, beta cells become active. They see sugar rising in your blood. They release insulin. Insulin moves sugar into storage. This protects your blood from sugar overload. The third worker is called the delta cell. Delta cells keep balance. They decide when alpha cells should act. They decide when beta cells should act. They prevent overreaction. They prevent chaos. They make sure sugar control stays smooth. They are like the manager of the team. After you eat food, sugar enters your blood. Your body does not panic. Beta cells wake up. They release insulin. Sugar moves into storage. Your blood sugar slowly comes down. This is how a healthy body handles meals. When you have not eaten for hours, blood sugar slowly falls. Alpha cells wake up. They release glucagon. Stored sugar is released into the blood. This gives your body energy. This protects your brain. This keeps you alert and active. This system works beautifully in healthy people. Sugar comes in. Sugar is stored. Sugar is released when needed. All of this happens without pain, without noise. Diabetes begins when this quiet system slowly stops working well. In the next part, we will see how this system breaks. At first, the sugar system works well, but problems begin slowly. Every time you eat heavy sugar meals, your blood fills with glucose again and again. The pancreas has to work harder each time. Beta cells release insulin again and again. At first, the system manages, but constant overload weakens the system. Insulin works like a key. It opens the door of your body's cells. This lets sugar go inside. But when sugar comes too often, the doors stop responding well. The keys still come, but the locks become slow and rusty. This is called insulin resistance. Now sugar stays in the blood longer. Cells stop taking it in easily. The pancreas sends more insulin. The body ignores part of the signal. Sugar builds up in the blood. This is the silent beginning of diabetes. No pain yet. No warning yet. The pancreas tries to help. It sends more insulin. Again and again. Day after day. Year after year. Over time, beta cells get tired. Some slow down. Some stop working properly. The balance system weakens. Storage does not work well. Release does not work well. Sugar rises when it should fall. Sugar falls when it should stay steady. The smooth control becomes unstable. This instability slowly turns into disease. This stage is called prediabetes. Sugar is higher than normal, but not high enough to be full diabetes. This is the warning stage. Your body is still trying to cope. This stage is reversible. This stage gives you time to act. The body sends early signals. You feel tired more often. Small wounds heal slowly. Vision becomes blurry sometimes. You feel thirsty more often. These signs are quiet. Most people ignore them. Modern life makes this worse. Less movement, more processed food, more sugar in drinks, long sitting hours, short sleep. This lifestyle pushes the sugar system to fail faster. This is not just about willpower. Genes also play a role. Family history matters. Some bodies resist insulin faster. Some pancreases tire earlier. But choices still matter. Small changes still protect you. This video is for education only. It does not replace medical advice. If you worry about sugar levels, talk to a healthcare professional. Understanding your body gives you power. Small daily choices protect your future. If this helped you learn something new, please like this video. It helps this knowledge reach more people. Subscribe to learn how your body works in simple and practical ways. Share this with someone you care about. Early understanding can protect health.